Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to recover delete photos in iPhone. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. Open our Photos app and then let me just delete some photo. And as you can see, the photo has been deleted and removed whatever. The key here is that once you have deleted auto, it is not actually deleted permanently, but move to the recently deleted album to find the album. Go to albums, scroll down to the very bottom where we can find the recently deleted. If we get into it, we will see all the photos we have deleted in the last 30 days. All the photos will stay in this album for 30 days, during which they can be restored. After 30 days, the people will be deleted automatically and permanently. If you want to restore one single photo, just tap on it and then tap on recover, and then recover photo. After that, photo will be removed to your main album. Also, as recently deleted, we can immediately remove photo. To do that, just tap on it and then tap add delete to permanently delete the photo without waiting for 30 days. Also, you cannot recover multiple photos at once. To do that, tap and select it and then select photos you would like to recover and then tap add recover, and that's how you can easily recover deleted photos. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.